GH.
Obviously, they say only pay idea or say. So when you know swap, but what they say on say anything. Yes, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong actually say no credit. Asante na na kuma so. Aye. You heal the Okonfanochi project na air course. You Kennedy Agyapong donate $147,000 dollars. When you see $147,000. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong donation. Why ama edi aboase inferences Okonfanochi no. Na o share citation e de man na enya asem ketwa like many many so say ankwankwa na say obi say Kennedy Agyapong di ne ho abehim. MPs don't do work as yen hu say obi ade ne ho abehim. This is what we were looking for. Na wo de yenko tie citation ni say you see a present man no e wo na 2TV yenko hweba.
Honorable Kennedy Hon.Kennedy Agyapong, the board and management of the Konfanochi Teaching Hospital have the singular honor and pleasure to present the citation to Honorable Kennedy Hon.Kennedy Agyapong, MP for Asante Central. We express our profound gratitude and appreciation for your selfless and unwavering support to the hospital over the years. Your enthusiasm and initiative in feeling the pain of others and caring enough about their needs to help cannot be overlooked. You single-handedly donated an amount of $147,000 for the payment of a one-year planned preventive maintenance cost for the linear accelerator machine at the Oncology Directorate of the hospital. Through your generosity to countless institutions, including KATH, your legacy will live well into the future, helping others realize their dreams. Today, machine downtime and treatment outcomes of cancer patients have significantly improved at KATH. The patients and relatives who have benefited from your kind donation for their care shall be eternally grateful to you. In recognition of these, the board and management of the hospital have the honor to present this citation to you, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, MP, for your kind intervention, which has provided a major boost to the provision of specialist services for cancer patients in the country. Once again, accept our heartfelt gratitude. Aiko Ejumera. And it's signed by myself, Ochirade Mensa, and my board chair, Ambassador Nana Ifa Appinting. Honorable Nyamisha Ononyokesia.
And there was some also Makai.
Konfanochi Dawasi. And patients now, or more benefit, no more benefit in Edawasi. Now, the view Edawasi for accepting to be our advocate general. You say with you in the boat, you will be fine.
And Wakakushaba no share said yes, I citation. I mean, if I want to donate a lot, why you see a penny or bonny homo de papa, but no credit ever. Unipaya di osai. Why dear bonny homo de abua because it's a woman who are butching up so boa. Eh, yeah. So, Hilda Konfanochi projects near DBA was say, Kamuasema, Yeka. His son said, Osha said, a hospital, Abua, hospital, Basa, a whole lot of regions. No credit. I am passo Abua regions between me in Pioneer say, was said, Ubiadi, Baby Shim now, Buama, Ayaka, MPs in Yabu social money, Mombra support to me. Now, the year and Yakama, any more car by money. Yes, that's a year to us. You were and run a you were seeing Kwanzahini. Munyam share Edman Kwanza, no many Ocean Kwanza could no many J. Kwana did the opinion of Kumia, do you say yes, or many Jida you are sick. Now, you are casting me, and I'm per se, be no be. You are the assembly to you are sick. So on us what's so yet Asante Maya for you. Let's see a bit Richard Drama, Draft Festival, you are bit next year, 2025. Assuming I and I or person will see and sana for Chedra. So the word into Famima or Masoyeti Asante. I am a person of Masante, Omunia Santina, Semwabra, Symbian Moon, Techiman, Munshi, Munshi, Sapape, and it's in our shop. Said the Insemisikoya. Na chese washa manage or the warning kesi na two or say ubi anhwe ye I me tie sansem no ansa na bia ntimu bia matemu ye hweba
afelo simu samira ano Asantehene esokai osmanyo
Chamenti afia ye besimu ye betwadwa.
sanano afelo simu samira ano Asantehene esokai osmanyo Asantehene de betwadwa afelo simu betwadwa
Free bra ye di bayre no free bosume enkrono mo krono ye bedi bayre na Ayi tuabodom ne ade no mo bayre no.
Yo. See, sabe no fumai.
Bayre no.
Tuabodom.
Odi bayre sabre ni etwadwa.
See sabe muna. Odi bayre sabe ni etwadwa.
Menye. Menye nso onso de ne de ba.
Onso de ne de. Isana se shedu so. De de no na twiri de etiri. Na de sabe eba.
Ejamfo Jurahene no aboabo no ho.
Achamfo Jurahene ti no boy ya ode ma o no aboabo no ho. Eho ka gina eho ka no aboabo ho na se de de ba.
Ade de abrowa aguna de enu ena ni che ya obepe nipa am na tam.
Se be akuna amwampon de ni che ya no de kasa apeli polo number. E twedura amwampon ka ho. Je mu na so bo front ta ya ba pesa pakam di etire e de aba esi hansa sante ye ma so ma newi se de etire de ho kusu ansa na tumi no sante he kitumi ri de twedura
and also afia di ni san hye nyina.
Sisafio
Ose tunyam kasi was korman po e beko. Ese so ye beko.
Ose so ti ya ba ye obeko
Asaman de wonu awonim dada.
Sasamai wa wonim de oto ho ina ayura ba ho.
Nyina ebe ye ni asade akanya asantema sunsun ni tumi na.
So you be nyina de kan ga asantumai sunsun tumi e jira ho exercise ye no odikanya mu mahu se da ho. Ya mata tias.
Yo. Ekukru senya sikadwada tias ye.
Yo.
Ekukru senyara.
Yo.
Anu bia pagya sen.
Yo.
Ebejo no. Bia pa wo mie na no nka de ope bia wo. Mo nsama mo ade abaye obi aka se. Yo. Eye kwa.
Sesebe. The tokane the cancer you nim ti de ka gun famam. Sebe social media mu na e ka. Obu nya so nya wo mu. Ebi da ho. Ebi an ka dem. O ya e kwa. Yo.
Na moa momi anyi asantemendi momi anyi ni ana ho.
So na no me dia na no susu na no jina ho. Wo haya na no nya be sege tubi. Be twa fro so aye. Mu ya asantemendi mo so ya de ga o. Ti mo mo tumi fita. Na asantemendi susu mo aye de mo no. We nya bi tu ho che. Ujai. Yo.
Ya de ekona nyampeni wo boye na etwa afino ye ba de sise ni mo bi ebeka ni nyina.
Nokre yewura enu ase na akochi ma che so hwese bi nsemese nokre se wo se obiare ne ho be hwedwumadi na eboa na biare ekoso sabepepe enitie na mesel mo mastati de to abawie ya mastati pese de mo ye wotachima ho na ye de ani ehwe mo ayenya nkare che wo ntinye se bi a ye yi ani munhwe na munye very careful because baby amokeka kone hotro baby amokeka kone hotro so we fair one e ma mo mane nyansa no aka say o maka yes and then they can subscribe na share me da so hwe mi makra